Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an SEO strategy with Moz step by step clearly. To start an SEO strategy with Moz, begin by creating a Moz account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access the tools available. Select Keyword Explorer from the menu to conduct keyword research. Enter a relevant keyword or phrase related to your business in the search bar. Analyze the results, focusing on metrics like search volume, difficulty, and organic click-through rate. Choose keywords with a balance of high search volume and lower competition for better chances of ranking. Next, head to Site Crawl to identify any issues with your website. Enter your website URL and initiate the crawl process. Review the crawl report for errors such as broken links, missing meta tags, or duplicate content. Address the issues highlighted in the report to improve your site's SEO health. Now, move to the On-Page Grader tool to evaluate your individual pages. Input a specific URL from your website to receive a detailed analysis. Follow the recommendations provided to optimize the on-page elements, like titles and descriptions. Use the Link Explorer tool to analyze your backlink profile and discover linking opportunities. Identify high domain authority sites that could provide valuable backlinks to your content. Create high-quality content that targets the keywords you've researched. Finally, monitor your progress regularly using the rank tracking feature. Adjust your strategy based on the data and insights gathered from Moz tools over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.